Welcome back to Fox 43 AM Live. We're continuing our journey through Manhattan. I stopped for a checkup at the Dental Associates of Manhattan, and I got the chance to speak with Dr. Zach Nemechek about his time in the city and what's making him stick around. Good morning.
Morning.
Thank you for putting me in the hot seat right now.
Yeah. I'm more comfortable here when you're in that seat.
Of course. I almost feel like I need to do the interview just going, okay, so this is what we're going to talk about.
Yeah, and then I can ask you questions and you can't respond back.
Exactly. This would be perfect.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for having us here. So, tell me about yourself. And you just took over this practice about back in June. And, so what brought you back to Manhattan, if you will?
Yeah, so a little bit about me. I grew up in northwest Kansas in Quinter, which is west of Hayes. And then after that, played football here at K-State for 5 years, from 2010 to 2014. And then went to dental school and was in Kansas City for 7 years, and it was a great time. And it just kind of came time. I met my fiance in Kansas City, and we were thinking about raising a family, and it just got to me, the feel of Kansas City wasn't quite where I wanted to raise my family. Had to take her wishes into consideration. She's from the St. Louis area, so I couldn't take her all the way back to Quinter. And as fate would have it, this opportunity came about, and it was something in my gut that immediately said yes. I've looked at a lot of dental practices throughout my time in school and when working, and this one felt right. I met with the doctors. They felt right. They were on board with how we wanted to do things, and that's what brought us back here.
Yeah. Did you always, I guess, want to be a dentist? And you were playing football. Did pro football ever kind of come into the equation?
It never did. I have a couple cousins that played in the NFL for a long time, and it's cool. I'm a huge fan of the NFL. Fifth grade is when I wanted to become a dentist, so I never changed my major when I was in college. Got in and never wavered in it. So when we actually did pro day as seniors, all the seniors at K-State have to do pro day, I was the only one that didn't do it. Because I knew I had been accepted to my professional league. So no, never did. And I kind of regret it because I got a lot of gear that day, and I just turned it all down for nothing.
No, not for nothing. I think you got this nice practice going on now. Yeah. And you mentioned it was kind of like the perfect fit for you. Yeah, what about the Dental Associates of Manhattan was that perfect fit? What really made that an easy decision?
First off, the town of Manhattan's wonderful. I've always liked it. The town of Manhattan, it's grown a lot since I was here. But Dental Associates of Manhattan has a very storied past. It's been here since the late 60s. And, I'm the third generation of doctor to come through this place and kind of stay on the legacy. Dr. Fulton and Dr. Martin, they've both been here for 40 and 30 years respectively. And we'll have patients come in and say, before Dr. Fulton, well, now it's Dr. Fulton, and they've been here for 40, 50 years.
So they've seen, from baby teeth to, who knows what with some of their clients.
They've seen people that were babies and then have babies and then see their babies, so it's got a very storied past, and very proud of the practice I was able to come into with my fiance, and hopefully continue the reputation of Dental Associates in Manhattan.
Yeah, I can only imagine. Are you thinking like 30 years in the future where you're still here and you're just a part of that legacy, I would hope?
Yeah, it's very proud. Not only the Dental Associates, but also the medical center where we're at. That's got a very storied past as well. And to keep both of those, Dental Associates and the medical center, going is very important. There's a lot of things that have to happen to go right for that to happen, but that's something we take a lot of pride in. It's just very neat to say that you practice at Dental Associates of Manhattan in the Manhattan Medical Center.
And with all the years of support that the community is seeing, what do you think it is that maybe separates you from other dentistries? Are you comforting the patients? I know it's very nervous to always come here. Like just sitting here, I'm getting flashbacks of my days in the dentist.
I always enjoy, when my dad was in the medical field, and he just always said, be available. If somebody calls in, be available. And that's what we work really, really hard to do is if somebody calls in, we're going to get you in within 24 hours. Okay, we're going to be there for you. The other thing is, I'll dabble in a little bit of everything. Root canals, extractions. The only thing I don't mess with are placing implants. The reason I was going to do root canals and extraction, I thought I was going to go back to Quinter, and there's nobody within hours, So I honed the skills in on, getting people out of pain kind of thing, because that's your goal in tiny town America. And, that's something I think if you're in pain, we're going to see you and we're going to help you.
One last question, what is it about Manhattan that you love that was also part of that equation that said, we're here, we're gonna make a family here, we're gonna stay here?
Yeah, it's for me, it's the people, 100% the people. When Dylan's is right down the road. The guy checking you out was just super nice. He went out of his way. He could tell I couldn't figure out the self-checkout. He comes out, he's like, dude, you're trying to buy a bulk onions. You just want a single. The people are so nice. You go down to the landfill, and the ladies, she'll talk to you for 10 minutes just because she's happy to see somebody happy that you're coming out there. And it makes you, coming from a bigger city, it allows you, when you're doing your job, well, if other people are treating me like this at their job, now it's my obligation to treat them that way. It allows you to slow down, okay? And the whole pace of life in Manhattan is a little slower, and that's exactly what my fiance and I wanted for our future family.
It was certainly a pleasure talking to Dr. Nemechek. He certainly did make me feel pretty comfortable on the hot seat over there. And you can always go to dentalassociatesofmanhattan.com for more information.